Eric Hammer, the man in the hat. I want to talk to you today about atomic profits. It's a brand new method for earning as much as $8,000 per month. Okay, it's really easy, really simple, perfect for newbies.
Newbie, snap out of it. There's enough time for your daydreaming.
Now, before I get into talking about that, a couple of quick housekeeping things. My name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man in the hat because I wear fedora pretty much everywhere that I go, and I'm one of the few people who can actually pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, here on the channel, what I do is I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And if I like the product, then at the end, I'm going to give the tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't like it, well, better luck next time. If you are new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when a new video drops, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into talking about atomic profits. On the sales page for Atomic Profits, take a look at these numbers: $8,000, $2,000, $2,000, $3,400. Okay, this is real stuff.
We're gonna be rich. We're gonna be famous.
There is no website or any special skill set required. Basically, it's going to be something that's going to teach you how to use stuff you already know how to do.
What are you doing about it?
Why, what I can, of course.
And it's going to show you a method for doing it. They're also going to give you a couple of ideas of what to do, and I'm going to get more into that in the members area. You can see right here, currently the price is $8.93, so super duper cheap.
It's cheap, okay? So no breaking.
In order to purchase this thing, and we're going to go over into the members area in just a moment. Before I do that, I wanted to let you know about my bonus that's going to be coming with it.
Oh, maybe I'll get my big bonus.
Okay, so the thing that I didn't like about Atomic Profits is that it's basically going to be teaching you about consulting and how to do consulting successfully, so you can really make some serious money online. The only thing that bothered me about it was that you're still kind of trading time for money, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to outsource everything so that you can basically get the clients in using this method, and then you can go ahead and take time off because somebody else will actually do the work for you. Let's take a quick look at what's in here. So first, you can have my friend Bill over here is going to be speaking to you, just telling you to take it seriously, get started, and stuff like that. Now, what I found interesting about this particular course, it's very different from a lot of courses I see because it's a lot of mindset stuff.
Next, you'll be telling us to use the Force. If you
basically getting you set up so that you're able to really start seeing value in what you can offer.
Well, what do you think you're worth, Augie?
And making money from it. And so James is really good at the whole mindset thing. He shows you a lot of different things involved in doing this, and I'll actually go through how to actually figure out what your own strengths are. So it's really cool stuff.
You don't know your own strength, but I do.
Basically, what he's going to show you is how to pick the right niche to go into in order to really make some serious money. He's also going to be showing you how to attract clients and how to price your services, that's a really important thing to do, because a lot of people get that wrong. They think, oh, I have to price it cheaper. I have to be in a race to the bottom.
How much is it?
50 cents.
And that's a big problem. If all you're doing is selling a commodity, where basically you're doing the same thing that a million other people can do, then you're going to be in a race to the bottom to sell it for whatever is cheaper.
Oh my God, no!
And eventually you'll get to the point where people just expect it for free. If you can package it differently, and that's what James really is talking about here, is packaging yourself differently, then you can really take it to a different level and really turn this into something that will make you that $8,000 a month that we saw on the sales page. It's not fake at all. It's completely real. It's something you can definitely do because it's real stuff. They're really going to be offering real services to real people. So that's pretty much what I had to say about it. The one thing I really did not like here, which really bothered me, was the fact that you're still trading time for money. So that bothered me a little bit. There are a couple of upgrades available as well.
Guys here think you deserve an upgrade.
Well, the upgrade number 1 is going to be the fast track and done for you package. Basically, they're going to give you additional niches that you could possibly go into. Upgrade number 2, you get full resale rights. Basically, you can take the entire package and sell it yourself and keep 100% of the profits. And the final thing is actually something that I personally do recommend quite a bit, and you're going to get a discounted price over what I paid for it.
So not fair.
The 10K Ninja is basically going to be training that I went through myself, when I started working in this industry. It's going to teach you how to do a whole lot of stuff involved in making money online using the methods that Bill and Spencer have developed over the years. It's currently going for $197. I actually paid more than that, so I'm kind of pissed off that Bill and Spencer are letting it go for cheaper than what I paid for it. But it is a very good course and really, really well worth it. Okay, so one more thing that I actually thought was a really pleasant surprise.
Very sweet. What a nice surprise. What?
Was that I went and I clicked on the bonus method, and it turns out the bonus method is actually another product from Bill and Spencer called Unbreakable, which honestly I think Unbreakable is actually better than Atomic Profits. The money is not as good with Unbreakable as it is with Atomic Profits.
$15 million is not money.
But the difference is that with Unbreakable, at least, it's basically kind of a method of outsourcing. It's an arbitrage method.
We outsource.
Basically, you're going to buy buy a service from one place and then sell it on another place. You know, I had to think about this for a bit because I'm not a big fan of courses that basically teach you to trade time for money. And no matter how well you're paid, there's a limit to how much time you have.
We don't have much time.
So I'm going to give a tip of my hat to them, but I'm going to say that that's a cautionary tip of my hat, because if you really want to have financial freedom,
nobody holding you back from financial freedom,
then my suggestion is to use the outsourcing guide that I'm going to give you as a bonus with this package when you purchase it. Because if you don't outsource, if you're not able to do the outsourcing thing so that you don't have to be a slave to your customers, then what's the point? You may as well just get yourself a regular job.
I think I'll go inside and get myself a job.
Granted, it's a high paying stuff. Consulting pays a lot of money, but still training time for money. And so that's why I strongly suggest that you pick it up with my outsourcing package so they can really start living without having to be a slave to the 9 to 5.
you're still here?
Go.